Hey, welcome back to the Extra Medium channel. On this video, I'm going to do something that is completely unnecessary, but a little bit fun, maybe even cool. I'm going to make a one-piece skin for my tail section and tank cover. Obviously, I need to start by getting all the bodywork off. Because I'll be using epoxy resin, I'm going to employ packing tape around the entire perimeter of the frame and any part that I think may get resin dripped on it. You remember in a previous episode on the channel, I explained that packing tape is a good material to use from which the epoxy resin will easily separate. So you can use this and put a little PVA or release wax on there, and when that epoxy dries and cures, it'll just pop right off. So I'll cover the whole thing with packing tape. Apply some wax, let that set up, and then I'll put some PVA on it. So since this is really just a cover, it has no structural part to play in the operation of the motorcycle. I don't need a lot of layers. I don't need to worry about vacuum bagging. I can just do a wet layup and try to get it as smooth as I can. Okay, that's all the resin I'm going to put on, and that's all the material that I have. So in the morning, we'll come in and I'll peel it off and trim the edges, and we'll see what it looks like.
That didn't look bad. Looks like I got some sanding to do if I choose to do such things. Before I take it off, I'm going to try to mark, maybe with some tape or some white, where I need to cut. Uneven cut there.
And it's off. And there it is. Where this is indented right there, kind of concave on each side of the tank, that was the part that was really kind of sticking to keep it from being able to release. But all I had to do is just work a little bit of it out on each side and it popped off. So I'm going to trim up the edges now. Just like that. So at this point I know that it fits properly over top of the tank and the subframe in the rear. Now all I need to do is trim out portions of the tank that are not necessary for it to hold its shape and to provide strength for me to lean against and to hold up the actual gas tank underneath. So I have some lines taped up and I got some spray paint and my wagon full of water. So let's see if we can do something cool or if I'm just gonna end up sanding some more.
Now, I'm sure you've seen this done before, just spraying spray paint onto the surface of water and then transferring it to the piece. I'm not super good at this. I've tried it a couple times, gotten it right maybe once, but let's see if this can be a good time.
Well, that looks like crap, so I don't know what I'll do. I thought it'd kind of blend in if I could pull it up. So, I don't know, let me take a look and see what I can figure out.
Now, the good thing is this is actually 5 whole pounds lighter than what I had before, so win for that. Well, here it is after it dried and after I peeled off all the masking. It doesn't look horrible. It doesn't look like I wanted it to look, but I think it looks okay. I'm going to just go ahead and leave it and just kind of run with it, see what it looks like with the white fairings on the front and side. I think that'll, I tried to kind of pull that up into the tank cover itself, the white anyway. I'm not super happy with it, but I don't hate it, so I'll just leave it. I'll race with it, and if any other great ideas come to my mind about what to do on the finish, maybe I'll do a video on them. Anyway, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.